Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain mean and variance of rectangular distribution. Already we have discussed rectangular distribution is also known as uniform distribution. If you consider the mean, a mean of the rectangular distribution, mean is equal to, we know it is first moment about origin, that is p1 dash. It is equivalent to be expectation of x is equivalent to be integral. The range of the rectangular distribution is a to b if you consider, and f of x is 1 by b minus a, 1 by b minus a dx. F of x dx, f of x is 1 minus b, 1 by b minus a, x into, x into f of x into 1 by b minus a. Integral x into f of x dx, mean formula is integral x into f of x dx is equivalent to be 1 by b minus a is a constant, and we can take it outside. Integration of x is x minus x square by 2, x square by 2 between the limits a to b. Integration of x is x square by 2. So if you substitute the limits here, it is b square, upper limit b square minus lower limit a square divided by 2. 2 I'm taking outside, that is multiplied by b minus a I kept here. So b square minus a square can be written as b minus a into b plus a. So therefore b minus a will get cancelled here, and the remaining value is b plus a divided by 2. So therefore mean of the rectangular distribution is b plus a by 2. Mean of the rectangular distribution mu1 dash, expectation of x, mean, it is nothing but b plus a by 2. So second one, to calculate variance, I'm calculating mu2 dash. Mu2 dash is equal to expectation of x square. We know that expectation of x square formula is integral. Limits are here for rectangular distribution a to b, x square into f of x. F of x is 1 by b minus a, 1 by b minus a. So therefore it is equivalent to be 1 by b minus a I am taking outside, and x square integration is x cube divided by 3 between the limits a to b. Now we apply the limits. B cube, upper limit b, x cube, b cube, minus lower limit a cube, divided by 3 into b minus a. So we can write b cube minus a cube as b minus a into a square plus b plus ab plus b square divided by 3 into b minus a. So we can write b minus a into b square plus ab plus a square, or a square plus ab plus b square, so that b minus a will get cancelled. So therefore mu2 dash is equivalent to b, it is equivalent to be, I write here, b square plus ab plus a square divided by 3. I'm writing in an order, that's all, nothing else, nothing it is going to be considered. Now we can write the value here, and so that now we have to calculate variance. Therefore the variance is equal to mu2 is equivalent to be mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. What is mu2 dash? It is equivalent to be, mu2 dash is just now we have calculated b square plus ab plus a square divided by 3 minus mu1 dash. What is mu1 dash? b plus a divided by 2 the whole square. So therefore if you take LCM, 3 here, 4 here, right, 3 and 4. So therefore LCM is, we can consider 12, and you have to multiply with 4 here, 3 fours, the 4 here. So 4b square plus 4ab plus 4a square minus, you have to multiply with 4 multiplied with 3, that is 3 we have to multiply here, 4 3s, so 3 into b plus a whole square, b square plus a square plus 2ab, that is minus 3b square minus 3a square minus 3 2s are 6, 6ab. Okay, so therefore we can cancel 4 minus 3, that is 1, b square, and 4a square minus 3a square, then is plus a square plus 4ab minus 6ab, thus minus 2ab divided by 12. So therefore I am writing in an order, that's all. You can write a minus b or b minus a, but b is the upper value, that is minus a is the least value. So therefore, in the limits a to b, a less than x less than b, b is the highest value, a is the least value. So therefore, b minus a whole square I am writing divided by 12. This is what? Variance. Variance of rectangular distribution is b minus a whole square divided by 12, and mean is b plus a by 2. Mean is b plus a by 2, and variance is b minus a whole square divided by 12 for the rectangular distribution. Hope you understand. Thank you.